Hey guys, Evie here, and welcome back to another video where today I'm just gonna be showing you around the world of my phone. So as you can see, I have all the games I have. Let me add the thing that I was gonna talk about. This thing I already added has like the thing where I have the thing. What channel? My channel. And stuff like that. I don't know what you meant with my channel. I just wanted to invite you to talk to me and stuff like that. When I barely started, you have a channel? Yeah. When I barely started Hangouts, I only had my sister, my cousin Miguel, my cousin Annalise. I barely had her. Tell me that what? And I had this guy. I don't remember that guy. This guy. I'm not that guy that starts with J. Not this guy, but I'm not gonna add. Just not yet. I think. You don't tell me that. Sorry. Okay. And I'm really gonna make like friends. Who did I just I invite that. Oh yeah, I forgot. um I have a lot of people. I have my best friend Mackanna. If I found Laurence, I would just really appreciate. Oh, there she is. My sister Victoria Lavayo. This guy. And this girl, this lovely girl that's talking to me. Yeah. She really wants to know my channel because yeah. Yeah, I think that's all my friends. Oh yeah, and Monique Garza. She's one of the best friends I ever had, and stuff like that. Oh my god, I just love her. I still have her phone number. I have everybody's like in my class phone number. Oh yeah, I forgot. Happy summer, guys. I forgot about that. And if you were asking me what shall we date, the games you see right here that look like anime are shall we date. Those are like I'm the biggest one of them. Even Luna, Laurence, and my sister. Oh my god, we love those games. But sorry, boys, they're only for girls. There's no boy characters, so I'm sorry for you guys. I'm actually recommending it to my friends. Mackanna, Luna Laurence, she knows about that, and I actually feel bad for her, to be honest. She had like the baddest day ever. I might call her today, yeah, cause yeah, just yeah. Let me put my thing. Oh, Luvio. I don't know how to write my name now. There you go. Sure, no, I just sent her the thing. Yeah, I can actually, to be honest, I can just add you to my, yeah, Hangouts and talk a bit and stuff. I even have my Google thing here going on. Ships, yeah, that please tell me. They're called like that. They're called like that. Evie. my friend. She, if you don't know who is she, she's my actually my friend's sister. She told me she's just yeah. What next? I saw your what? What next? I saw your channel. Really cool. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video with showing you what happened to my thing. Oh, that guy texted me yesterday. Oh shoot, I hate this guy. He's really annoying. We really became friends. Like we knew each other like 2 weeks. Now that guy is freaking creepy. Like you don't want to know. And this is my other friend actually. We talk about a lot in this hangout, not in this one. I don't know why. Yeah. Let me just go to my thing. Yeah. So if you see that I'm in a different place and you see big old ball right here, it's because something happened in my world. And oh, just look at this. I made a trampoline. If you ask me, what makes it jump is this slime. Yeah, I have a cat, but I don't know where in the world is that cat at. Yeah, I know. What do I do? What to do? Oh, oh. I have potions. I already drink till I thought it was working. Where's my cat at? Yeah, I think it was right here. Oh yeah, when I was digging, I just found gold. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna make like this section in my room. Where in the heck is Meowky? Seriously? Oh, if you guys can be helpful, you can just tell me what kind of name can I put to this dog? Because I barely got it, and I don't know how to name it. Where's your stick at, boy? Sit down, sit in your butt. Yeah, I forgot to put flowers. Where's the cat at? Devel Cat, actually. Devel Cat, where are you? I swear, if you're up the thing, I promise. Gosh, cats are really annoying. They're really hard to take care of. I'm just I just want to invite you. And when I was running, oh look at this. Where's the moon at? Just look at that beauty without the bow. Yeah, wow, oh my God, Devel Cat, stupid cat. Hurry, go inside, go inside, go inside, go inside. You better go inside, go inside. Stupid cat. Sit. Gosh, you cannot relax today. Sit. Oh, I cannot be. Oh my God, I cannot be. I cannot be mad at you. You're just like the cutest pet ever. Oh my God, you're just looking at me. Oh my God, you're so cute. But except the green eyes, you look like Travis. Seriously, you look like Travis. Yeah, this is my Beckham. If you ask me what is this, you don't wanna know. To be honest, you don't wanna know. And this is all the things I saw. Shoot, I forgot to do the nether thing. I need to find lava, to be honest. How many you want stick? Shoot, you're up. Oh. I think I'm gonna end this video like this. Yeah. Oh wow, that looks cute. Wow, cool. Well, I'm gonna. Never mind if. Never mind, I found it. Heh. You find what? Heh. Never mind, I found it. Heh. Oh. And yeah, she's Luna Lauren. She's one of my subscribers. She's one of the friends. Even Mackanna is one of my subscribers and best friends, to be honest. Even my sister's one subscriber of mine. Just saying. And yeah, well, guys, I think that's all for today. If you were wondering what's shall we date Lost Island, I already like it doesn't work, so I just install. Uh, wait. 6 shall we date, and they're the anime games, to be honest, and you just please leave me alone. Ah, they don't let me talk and stuff like that. We might play those games one time together, guys. So yeah, see you next time. Take care, subscribe, comment, leave a like, and I sorry guys, I'm just practicing my anti stuff like that. Well, take care. Bye bye.